For customer support reps, the workflow wizard is convenient, fast, and easy to use. It guides me through an RMA call taking process and gives me cues like what is your first name and last name, and I can enter that very quickly. If I detect the caller prefers to speak in French as a bilingual, I can change that, and the UI dynamically changes into that language. Using the keyboard, I can navigate very quickly using tab and enter keys, and I can see if something's required. It'll show up in red and has different color schemes so that I know what needs to happen. And I can enter the address information. You can see at the top, actually the timer keeps track of call handling time, and the breadcrumbs at the top allow me to go back and forth to wherever I want at any place in time. I also like for phone numbers, I don't have to worry about the hyphens. I just have to get close, and the pattern recognition will automatically form and update what I entered to fit that. And sometimes I forget to add exactly everything, and the system alerts me. In this case, I missed an @ sign on the email, so I can put that in there to make sure that that is correct. Those little yellow pop-ups indicate, give me updates and interesting information and alerts. So I can enter, naturally, I just enter the description of the problem that the customer is calling about and why they want to return one of our products. If I spell something wrong, it has embedded spell checker. And then I can make a determination if an RMA is required or not. If it is, I go to the RMA screen. If it's not, it can take me somewhere else. So it has branching and triage. And here I basically see a standard screen right inside of the wizard, and I can enter the line. So, or more than one line. I can enter the return reasons, the items, quantity, and all that information that a normal screen can do for me, but inside of the wizard. So I can add notes, and if the customer needs to call me back, I can put it in pause and then pick it up later, or I can continue and wrap up the call. Pop-up tells me to don't forget to tell them the RMA number and the due date, even though it's also emailed to them. So wizards give me everything that I need, and they're a great tool to increase quality, customer sat, and decrease data entry errors and costs.